Hackers exploit a high-speed Go library to target Microsoft 365 accounts worldwide. North Korea's Lazarus Group lures developers with an AI-enhanced job scam, and 15,000 FortiGate devices exposed as hackers leak sensitive VPN credentials and configurations. This is Cybersecurity Today. I'm your host, Jim Love. Threat actors are using the FastHTTP Go library to launch high-speed brute force password attacks on Microsoft 365 accounts worldwide. Detected by incident response firm SpearTip, this campaign began on January 6 and primarily targets the Azure Active Directory Graph API. FastHTTP, a high-performance HTTP library for the Go programming language, is being exploited to automate unauthorized login attempts. Attackers are also leveraging multi-factor authentication fatigue tactics, bombarding users with repeated MFA challenges to gain access. An investigation revealed that 65% of the attack traffic originates from Brazil, with significant activity from Turkey, Argentina, and other countries. While most attacks fail or are blocked, a concerning 9.7% successfully authenticate, underscoring the risks of account takeovers. SpearTip has issued guidance, including a PowerShell script to detect the FastHTTP user agent in logs. Administrators should immediately reset compromised accounts, review unauthorized MFA devices, and follow indicators of compromise outlined in the report. This campaign highlights the importance of enforced MFA policies and vigilant monitoring to protect sensitive data. North Korea's Lazarus Advanced Persistent Threat Group is once again using clever tricks to target developers. Their latest campaign, dubbed Operation 99, disguises attackers as recruiters on LinkedIn offering lucrative job opportunities. The goal? To trick freelance software developers into cloning malicious Git repositories loaded with malware. This isn't Lazarus's first foray into job scams. Previous campaigns like Operation Dream Job in 2021 and dev#Popper have exploited job seekers, but researchers note that Operation 99 takes things to a new level. AI-generated recruiter profiles combined with compromised LinkedIn accounts make these scams highly convincing. According to Ryan Schertzikoff, Security Scorecard's Senior VP of Threat Research, by presenting complete and convincing profiles, attackers offer what seem to be genuine job opportunities. Once developers clone the malicious repository, malware with names like main99 and payload9973 spring into action. They steal source code, cryptocurrency wallet keys, and other sensitive data. The malware also works across operating systems targeting Windows, macOS, and Linux, with tools for key logging, clipboard monitoring, and credential theft. Experts warn to treat job offers involving repository cloning or software downloads with extreme caution. As Schertzikoff puts it, if a job opportunity seems too good to be true, it likely is. Employers are urged to reinforce social engineering awareness and emphasize cybersecurity best practices to guard against these sophisticated attacks. A new hacking group known as the Belson Group has leaked sensitive data from over 15,000 FortiGate devices. The stolen information published on the dark web includes VPN credentials, private keys, and firewall configurations, exposing organizations to serious risks. The breach reportedly stems from attacks in 2022 that exploited a zero-day vulnerability in FortiOS firmware. The flaw, tracked as CVE 2022-4684, allows attackers to access device configurations and create rogue super admin accounts. Despite Fortinet releasing a patch in October 2022, many devices remain unpatched or misconfigured, making them vulnerable even now. What makes this leak particularly dangerous is how organized the stolen data is. The files, sorted by country and device IP address, provide a blueprint for cybercriminals to penetrate networks. Cybersecurity expert Kevin Beaumont confirmed the authenticity of the data, warning that it poses a renewed threat. Beaumont said, "The data appears to have been assembled in October 2022, but its release now makes it a ticking time bomb." This isn't the first time Fortinet has been targeted. In 2021, nearly 500,000 VPN credentials were exposed in another attack. Organizations using FortiGate devices are urged to act immediately. Beaumont plans to release a list of impacted IPs to help administrators determine if they're at risk. In the meantime, administrators should reset credentials, update firmware, and conduct a thorough review of configurations to ensure their networks are secure. And that's our show for today. You can reach me with tips, comments, and even some constructive criticism at editorial@technewsday.ca. I'm your host, Jim Love. Thanks for listening.